over here at the Sugarlands Visitor Center.
Yeah, that's actually the one that picked up. I haven't hiked to that one, but I really have liked it.
The bathroom's over there. So the real reason we came here was to go to the bathroom. We had just been in the car for a while driving through Pigeon Forge and Gatlinburg. So we stopped here because they had bathrooms. We found out they had a nature trail, some waterfalls, so we're like, why not go check it out? They also have vending machines if you need a drink. So we found a nature trail here, and we're gonna do the 0.5 mile hike to Cataract Falls. There's also another trail as well that is 0.6 miles. But today we're gonna go see some waterfalls. So after you walk across the bridge, trails marked. Let's go this way. Please don't hurt yourself, ma'am.
Make no promises.
Here, give me your hand. Wait, grab my wrist. You're doing a horrible job.
It's cold.
You wanna jump in?
Yeah, kinda.
Butterfly. Now we're heading up this way. Gotta hike some stairs.
I see how he's stepping.
Yeah.
Which way we go?
Falls this way.
Wow.
Oh, I see the waterfalls.
Wow. That's pretty. Pretty amazing. Visitor center ain't so bad.
Uh-uh. Alright, well this was a short little hike up to these beautiful falls. I found the butterfly again. Alrighty, so we are Floridians from Florida who drive in Florida, which, you know, we deal with a lot of traffic and a bunch of people who, you know, lack common sense. But here in Tennessee, it's a whole new driving world. Welcome to Holy Crap Highway. So many turns, sharp turns, hills, dips, beautiful trees, mountains, everything you want to stare at it while you need to pay attention while you're on these windy roads. So it's beautiful and dangerous. Yeah. Okay, that's all.